Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott along with the entire So Darn Easy Forex movement. We're here in training right now. We're training live. My students can hear this video being recorded. And what I wanted to do, because we made a video last week, I made a video about the Euro CAD, the Euro USD, as well as the Euro GBP, all doing something unique in the market. All right, and I want to break that down for everyone to hear. All right, and I normally don't do this. I normally don't combine a live training event with the outside members or outside students who follow me, who support me outside of the actual movement. But I wanted to do this because, you know, this is something, hey, if I see it, everyone can benefit from it. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to put this together and see it. So what I'm going to do is this. I want for you all to look at exactly what it is and comprehend what I'm telling you, because it's only going to make sense. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the Euro CAD. I'm not going to look at the other pairs. I'm going to look at the Euro CAD. I'm going to break this down for my students, and hopefully you guys can listen in. So let me explain exactly how significant the Euro pairs are right now. All right, a couple months ago, you guys know that we had the French presidential election. You guys notice, on all of the pairs except maybe one, the gap is still open. On all of those pairs, the market had fallen and have been ranging for some time, since 2014, since like December 2014, if I remember correctly, maybe early 2015. The market has been ranging. The market is finally able to pick up steam because of the drop in the market. Let me just show you guys. Let's see. Let me show you exactly. Actually, let me go by the day. Actually, you know what? I have to look at the Euro USD to show you guys this. Let me see. 1 second. Let me see. All right, so we're going to look at the Euro USD. I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened. So this is the Euro USD, and this is back in April 2014. The market dropped. All right, and like I said, it was early 2015 where the market finally hit its bottom. Well, the first quarter, and the market's been ranging since. And the market has been trying to find a good place to pivot from to go higher. I mean, much higher, because it dropped from like 140, 136. All right, so it's been moving down significantly. So at this point, everyone's been speculating when the market is going to finally go back up. So what I want to do, I want to tell you guys something about how significant this is. Let's look at the Euro CAD, and let's zoom in. See the gap? Unclosed. Euro GBP. The Euro GBP's gap, actually it never closed. Got close to it, but it never closed. But it's going up. Now last week I told you guys that all three of these pairs were at this point. Look at the Euro CAD, and let's look at the Euro USD. Zoom in, zoom out one. Let's grab that. All right, each of those three pairs, and it's funny, it's ironic that each of the three pairs that I talked about in that video, they all went up on Friday. But however, all but one of the rest of the euro pairs, they went down. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Let's look. While those three, the Euro USD, the Euro GBP, and the Euro CAD went up, let's look at the Euro AUD. It went down. Let's look at the Euro Swiss. It went down. Let's look at the Euro JPY. It went down. And I believe it was the Euro Krone that actually went up. That's the one that went up. Euro NZD. It went down. So you guys, when you start to pay attention to this stuff, you'll start to realize what's going on. You might not be able to sift through the mess that they're doing now, but when you start to have this eye for things, it's going to start showing you what's going on. So I happened to peep out the game. I happened to realize that, okay, these three, they all created this wall. They all broke through that wall, which was a day before I put out the video. The very next day, they broke through the wall. And I told you guys to watch these three. Look at it now. And let's look at all three of them. All right, let's look at all three of them. They all had a bearish candle that formed the day that I told you guys. But they all went above. Now, most people, with the way that they think, the way that they think they know how I think, but they don't know because they're not really on. They're not on the same plane as I am, because I talk in ways that people can always try to figure me out, but never really figure me out. Let me break that down. Most people probably would have thought, oh, Scott, he's only trading this way. It's only going to go down. But no, I put a video out probably a month ago telling you guys about this, about the Euro USD. When you start to really follow what I tell you, when you start to listen to what I tell you, you would have known which way I was expecting the market to go. It's funny, I wasn't expecting the market to go back down, although it could go back down, but I wasn't expecting it to. I put a video about the Euro USD and maybe another pair, maybe a month or so ago. And I was telling you guys, I'm expecting this market to go up. If you're a student, as my students can witness, they can attest right here. They can tell you, I'm expecting 113, 115, 117 on the Euro USD. Why is that? Let's look at this. We have these wicks that are open. That's what I'm looking at. See, just when you thought you figured me out, you didn't figure me out. Because it's not about that all the time. You just got to know when to apply what to look for. Now, the market didn't quite get there. But trust and believe, it's close enough. So I'm just going to give you guys this little bit. See, it's one thing to know where it's going, but it's another thing to know when to get out when it starts to retrace and when to get back in. I can tell you it's going to this point, but how are you going to know without having sound judgment, without having the wise counsel from me to know that it's going to go up to a certain level and retrace and when to get back in off the retrace? It's not just about knowing where it's going to go. I can tell you it's going to go here. But that's like my mom saying, hey, listen, we're going to drive over to grandma's house on Monday. We don't necessarily have to go this road to that road to that road to this road. There are plenty of ways to get there. But how are you going to find out? That's the bottom line. So, my students, we're going to go deeper into this. But for you guys who are on the outside and you're watching this video right now, I appreciate you guys sitting in. If you're not subscribed to the video or to the channel, do so. And then also, if you know anyone who could benefit from my type of style, I guess my style of trading and training, then share it. It's free information. This is knowledge. So that being said, you guys make a wise choice in your trading on the euro pairs, and don't forget about the news that happened this past weekend, because it can actually affect what's going on. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.